Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we are going to talk about my buy for August 2021, for the month of August 2021, because I didn't buy anything today, to be honest, and I didn't put anything in the portfolio. I didn't update any positions, and that's because I didn't have enough in the account. So we'll go through the portfolio today, ending the week, and we're going to talk about my stock buy for August 2021. We are at the end of the month here, so we will have the dividend video of all the dividends we received for the month of July 2021 in the next video. But we'll get right into it here. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. So the portfolio today, Canadian markets are not open on Monday because it is a holiday, and it will reopen Tuesday. The portfolio today for the end of the week has closed out at $6,187.19. We are up $71.50 on the day, up 1.17%. That is for the month. Let's go to the day here. We are down $18.55, down 0.3%. For the week, we are up $75.01, up 1.23%. For the 1 month, we are up $71.50, up 1.17%. For the 3 months, we are up $352.86, up 6.05%. For the 1 year, we are up $1,005.82, up 19.41%. And for the all is the same. First position we have here, and yes, we haven't done this in a while, but it is Bell Canada, ticker symbol BCE, closing out at $62.27, up 51 cents on the day. Here is a snapshot of the position here. And again, that is Bell Canada, ticker symbol BCE. Next position we have here is Bank of Montreal, ticker symbol BMO, closing out at $123, and 53 cents. We are down $1.55 on this position here today, and down 1.24%. Here is the snapshot of the position here, and this is the stock we bought last week as an updated position. And our total return on this one is $225.88, up 29.63%. And again, that is Bank of Montreal, ticker symbol BMO. Next position we have here is Bank of Nova Scotia, ticker symbol BNS, closing out at $77.87. We are down 78 cents on the day, down 0.99%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And our total return since owning the position is $163.04, up 42.68%, which is absolutely fantastic. And again, that is Bank of Nova Scotia, ticker symbol BNS. Next position we have here is Cisco Systems Inc., ticker symbol CSCO, closing out at $55.37, up 30 cents on the day. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And our total return since owning the position is $7.98. And again, that is Cisco Systems Inc., ticker symbol CSCO. Next position we have here is Loblaws, closing out at $84.40, up 53 cents on the day, up 0.63%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And our total return since owning this position is $126.77, up 33.99%. And again, that is Loblaws, closing out at $84.40, ticker symbol L. Next position we have here is Manulife Financial Corporation, ticker symbol MFC, closing out at $24.12, down 12 cents on the day. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And our total return since owning the position is $82.60, up 25.23%. And again, that is Manulife Financial Corporation, ticker symbol MFC. Next position we have here is Qualcomm Inc., ticker symbol QCOM, closing out at $149.80 USD, down $1.19 today, down 0.79%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And again, that is Qualcomm. Our total return on this one is $45 $45.37, up 11.23%. And again, like I said, that is Qualcomm, ticker symbol QCOM. Next position was another position we had purchased earlier in the month of July 2021, which is Royal Bank of Canada, ticker symbol RY, closing out at $126.18, down 82 cents on the day, down 0.65%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And our total return since owning the position is $102.98, up 9.97%. Another thing to take note in this is Wealthsimple Trade did introduce fractional shares by that little icon where it says Royal Bank of Canada, that little blue one. You can buy fractional shares of Royal Bank of Canada, which is fantastic. So if you are looking to get a position in that one, you can purchase fractional shares if you do not want to buy the whole share at $126.18. Next position we have here is TELUS Corporation, ticker symbol T, closing out at $27.71, up 22 cents on the day, up 0.8%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. Total return since owning the position is $21.95, up 4.35%. And again, that is TELUS Corporation, ticker symbol T. Last position we have here is Toronto Dominion Bank, ticker symbol TD, another share that you can buy fractionally. You don't have to buy the whole share. You can invest as low as $1 into that one. Closing out at $82.95, down 75 cents on the day, down 0.9%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And our total return since owning the position is $34.23, up 7.39%. In the cash count, as you can see here, we have $172.78, and that includes some dividends that did come in, which we will go through on Tuesday is when I record, and you'll see it on Wednesday. Okay. Here's the watch list, but that is the whole portfolio. So it's been quite a month, actually. In my opinion, everything seems to be consolidating, nothing too high in growth jumps and so on and so forth. But we're going to talk about the stock we're buying for the month of August. And the reason we didn't buy one today is because we didn't have enough in the account. And the reason we didn't purchase BMO which is Bank of Montreal, is because the ex-dividend date is actually today. And if I was to purchase it, we wouldn't receive a dividend for that specific one stock for 3 months. And we want our money to work for us as fast as humanly possible, or moneily possible. Get it? Don't get it? Moving on. So the position we'll be updating for all of August 2021 is Qualcomm. Okay. And I'm not going to get into technical analysis on this one. I'm just going to go through what we all already probably know. But to give you an idea on this one, we currently have 3 shares, total position value of $449.40. The average price of us getting in is $134.68, and it holds about 9.49% of the portfolio. Today's return was down $3.57, down 0.79%, and our total return is $45.37 with a percentage of 11.23%. If you don't know what Qualcomm is a massive multinational semiconductor manufacturer, but they also own licensings for a lot of things. And you may not know it, but this company is also responsible for producing the microchips or the chipsets or processors or anything of the sort that have to do with semiconductors for Apple products. Some of them now. I know Apple is creating their own chips now. So Qualcomm was a big manufacturer for Apple. They still have Apple as a clientele. This is not a business to people business. This is a business to business. So they do business with other businesses. And they did just have their earnings report. So Qualcomm creates chips for your phones, computers. They are diving into the automotive industry now. They are exploring that area. But as you can see here, like I said, not technical analysis, but I'm going to tell you exactly why I'll be purchasing more of Qualcomm. As you can see here, Qualcomm for the past 3 months has been consolidating. If we were to draw like a line, maybe that's too far. let's go past 3 months. Anywhere from $137 to, yeah, it was consolidating in the anywhere from that 127 to 139, which is the price that it was closing at. And most recently, we did have a jump in Qualcomm from this past week from low of $138 right up to $150 USD. After, I think it was after the earnings report, and the reports that, because companies have to release their earnings for the quarter, they did very, very well amidst being questioned about antitrust laws and having customer relationships with Apple. I think it was Samsung and Huawei as well, where these guys own the patent to connect mobile phones, the chip in there, to the towers, which help your phone work. And so they have these licensings that work, and it felt like, I guess a lot of people felt like this company was gouging them in prices because you have to essentially pay rent or a lease on the patent and the licensing fees for the chips that are in, iPhone 12, because the iPhone 12 does use a Qualcomm product in there. But Apple is looking at making their own products. The cool thing is about Qualcomm is that even though Apple has started creating their own chipset, and that seems to be the trend for a lot of companies that produce smartphones and electronic devices that require chips, Qualcomm still was able to create profits and are exploring new areas, which is a good thing because now they're noticing competition come in. Qualcomm has been around for quite a long time. I do believe they're based out of San Diego. And the other thing is that even though they've lost some customers, they beat earnings. And I know I don't typically go off earnings for the quarter. I typically wait for the full year of the cycle, the full year, and see how they're doing. But they're on track to, I think, just destroy their targets from last year. Even with the chip shortage that is happening all across the world, I'm sure everyone has noticed that it was difficult to find any kind of electronics that used chips, processors of the sort. And like I said, I'm not going to go through a technical analysis. I'm going to tell you exactly how I feel on a qualitative basis. Is that the word, or quantitative? Nope, I think it's qualitative, where it's what I think of the company and not based off numbers, because you have to really believe in something if you are going to purchase a stock in it. And I truly believe in Qualcomm for sure, as they are one of the very few tech companies that pay a dividend and continue to grow in a very quick fashion. So this is the position we'll be updating for the month of August 2021. Those are the only reasons I'm probably purchasing this stock. If you don't know where it's being traded on the NASDAQ. The market cap of this company is $170 billion. 52-week high is sitting at 167, and the 52-week low is 104.51. And the yield right now as of today is 1.76. So you're probably wondering, why didn't you buy one today? You have $171. Well, you have to buy it in US. What I did notice is that when you go to the buy, Wealthsimple now has where it says under available for trade, it converts your money straight into USD. And I think that also includes the fee that Wealthsimple Trade has. Before it didn't do that. It would show you the conversion rate and so on and so forth. And but this is a much simpler way. Too bad I can't buy fractionals, because I would show you how to buy fractional shares on Qualcomm. So Qualcomm is the pick of August 2021 for those reasons, because I truly believe in the company. I don't think it's a dying company. The direct competition for Qualcomm, I do believe, is like Intel. I guess AMD would be one. NVIDIA would be one as well. Hewlett Packard. These companies all create their own semiconductor products, and that is the competition. And so Qualcomm still sits above the rest, I believe, in my opinion, not based on rankings or anything like that, but I truly believe they'll get through it while exploring newer avenues in their products, like automotive industries. And I think they're exploring another industry. They did create the Snapdragon as well. I don't know if you know what that is, but with the way tech world is going and the chip shortage, everyone's going to need chips, especially the automotive industry. I can't talk today. When it comes to these electric vehicles that are being produced, vehicles still require, believe it or not, computers, which require chipsets. Your handy dandy smartphone requires a processor chip. Your computers require everything, almost practically requires it, and Qualcomm is at the head of that, and they know the industry, and they're not trying to go outside what they know, where some companies did. Like General Electric, for example, was a company that tried to explore other avenues, and they essentially became a bank, and we saw what happened to General Electric. If you don't, go check it out. Huge, massive company. It was failing, and literally tried so many different things, like lending money and doing weird things in the company, and that was just based off management. But I truly believe Qualcomm is in a good position and will continue to grow and continue to be innovative. And even though they might struggle in the next maybe year, couple years, if they do, there is really, for me, intrinsic value when it comes to Qualcomm, because they know their craft. And so that is my stock pick for the month of August 2021. I am not a financial advisor. I'm definitely not your financial advisor. So if you are seeking professional advice, go find someone who is licensed and able to do that. I'm just a guy on YouTube. It is hot today, so I'm wearing a white shirt and I'm still sweating under here. And yeah, hopefully you guys have a great weekend. For the Canadians out there, hopefully you have a great long weekend, and it's going to be a hot one here in Alberta. So have a great one, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.